Alright, so Sandy, I can see her down there. I guess I'm aiming it, I can't tell. We're out for a walk. We're between rain bands right now, I think. And it's nice. It's actually, you see I got my sunglasses on. The sky is clear enough, and it kind of hurts my eyes, so I've got to have oh, this thing's bouncing. Let me fix that. No! Get over here. Get over here. Get over here. Don't make this hard, okay? There we go. So we're getting out for a walk today, and we'll check out the trails, see how the water's doing. I don't think it's going to be bad at all because the rain stopped probably 20-30 minutes ago, which means the trails, they'll start, the water in the, I say trails, the water in the gullies that go through the trail crossings will be lowering. And I mean, yeah, this is interesting. I didn't think we'd see this much clear sky area until maybe tomorrow night. Well, the way they were talking, we weren't going to see anything but rain till Wednesday. And this is Saturday at about 3. And anyway, the weather people, they don't know how to predict weather very well. They predict some big stuff, like here's a huge hurricane coming. But let's be honest, they couldn't predict the path hardly after it touched the ground once it made landfall. There's a squirrel, Sandy. You can catch it? No, I didn't think so. It's funny. You can't predict the weather in 3 days out reliably, but they can predict global warming. That's funny. I think we're going to have some frogs singing tonight, Sandy. What do you think? If it was not so humid, we'd have the windows open. But it's going to be humid. We don't want the house soaking like a sponge. Oh, the gully water's still pretty high. Let's take a look at that, okay? What do you think? Huh? Hey, what do you think? Okay, Sandy. Let's do some walking, not just sniffing, okay? Oh, it may be a little bit higher than it was a couple hours ago. Maybe a little higher. Maybe not much though. Yeah, it's a little higher. Maybe a foot. Maybe a little bit less than a foot. But that, I think that part of the, yeah, oh yeah, it's up about 10 inches because I could see the base of that sign before. You probably want to drink the water, don't you? It's some muddy. No, you don't want to go that way. Go this way. Don't step off there. Come here. Come on. You're not a child. Okay, there you go. Get your water. Come on. Do it. You're gonna eat some grass. Okay, eat grass. Get in the water. There you go. Oh, you're pulling me. Well, walk out. Show me. Get out in front so I can see you. What do you think, Sandy? What do you think? Oh yeah, the water's up pretty high over here. Haven't seen any displaced animals. Sometimes you see turtles, snakes. Not this time. Okay, I hear a lot of noise here. It seems like some people are on the river, or not really. Well, it is a river today, but it's a bayou. Are you guys okay? Okay.
Thank you for checking.
Yeah. It's sometimes hard to tell the difference between fun and panic.
Yeah, boy.
So they're coming. Just go to the center. Just go to the center now. You're okay now. Just go to the center. You made it.
How you going, bro? Watch out for the bridge. What? Hit the bridge, bro. Okay, I'm gonna get off. No, I'm not. Okay, I'm coming. Everybody go to Tyler.
Is this safe?
Joseph.
You're good. You're good now. You're past. You just passed the bridge.
Never mind, it's not stopping. Tyler, what? It's not stopping? That's good. Tyler, we're all coming to you, so better be stopping. Yeah.
Check out RayJ reviews on YouTube. You'll be there.
Stick your side of me. Good, good. All right, stick your side of me, good. All right. Hey, y'all want
Are you?
to over here? Help.
Oh, Sandy.
Ow!
Sandy wants to join you.
That's respect, you know?
No, Sandy.
Ow! Got me in the face. There we go,
No, you're not going to do that, Sandy.
Yeah, got me in the face.
So, you really had to go get in that water, didn't you? Now you're going to stink like a wet dog in the house. That's right.